Hey guys, this is Joshua with Fall Guys Firearms, and I have something very exciting to show you guys. I have been waiting a long time for this moment, and without further ado, let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's a tan Glock case. What could this mean? It is the Glock 19X. Oh, sweet Mother of Mary. Oh my goodness, such a sexy, sexy beast. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, I don't think I've seen anything so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I'm gonna see what it looks like with one of the 19 round mags in it. Oh, wow, that is beautiful. Okay, all right guys, well, that's a sneak peek. The next video that I do is going to be over this gun right here. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.